Do you know that owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees? Do you know that owls have special feathers that allow them to fly silently, making them stealthy hunters? Do you know that owls have incredible night vision, allowing them to see in almost complete darkness? Do you know that there are over 200 species of owls, each adapted to different environments around the world? Next time you hear an owl's hoot, think of their amazing adaptations and mysterious presence. Subscribe for more amazing nature stories.